All right, so this is the Nighthawk Suite in Park MGM in Las Vegas. As you come into the room, you've got a very generous open space. Really, really good size wardrobe. Plenty of hanging space. You've got your room safe and some storage. And a mirror. You've got your mini bar. Would suggest you go to CVS or something opposite. More storage. Large mirror just there. I really like the artwork in these rooms. It's quite European looking. This is the main area. See? There are two different suites, so this is the Nighthawk one. And I think the other one's Nightingale. So the Nighthawk is green colours or accents. You've got the television and a bunch of connections down there should you need them. You've got HDMI in, Bluetooth as well. So if you are sharing with someone, you could perhaps have the audio pipe through to your headphones. A couch. Got another television over there. Same connections, same Bluetooth connection. Got the bed. Got USB power next to the bed, plus regular US mains. There's plenty of power options in the room, which is great. And again, you've got the USB ports there as well, should you need them. Small music thing. Really good Wi-Fi in the room. A nice seat in front of the window. So this room looks out onto, this is Aria. You've got the tram just down there, which you can take. Don't get that confused with the monorail, which is paid for. The tram is free, and it goes from Park MGM, Aria, and Bellagio. Now, if you are going from Park to Aria, I'd suggest you just walk. It is much quicker. But there we are. You've got the mountains over there. Red Rock Canyon is that way as well. Let's go around. You can adjust your aircon in the rooms, by the way, to Celsius. The default's Fahrenheit for the US, but you can change it to Celsius if you prefer. Again, more power, more USB ports. Right, now we're going to have a look in the bathroom. So you got, this is nice, you can dim the lights, which I do quite like. Handy, should you need them. One sink. Some storage space, very large shower. These are the same toiletries that you get in all of their resorts. And toilet. So it has only got one bathroom, so bear that in mind if you're sharing with people, perhaps. That's it. Park MGM is a non-smoking resort, which is perhaps something you might like.